First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.
Welcome back to the Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. I'm your educator, and today we are addressing the elephant in every Malaysian study room: pressure. Whether it's the constant comparison to your brilliant cousin or the feeling that anything less than straight A's will disappoint your parents, that pressure is real. It's a pressure cooker and it can boil over, leading to anxiety and burnout. Today, we are not just complaining about the heat, we are learning how to turn down the stove. This is the pressure cooker, managing parental expectations and peer competition. Let's start with parents. When your mother or father pushes you, understand that it usually comes from a place of love and fear. They fear you won't have the same opportunities that they want for you. They see university acceptance as the key to your entire future. We acknowledge that fear, but we cannot let it define our actions. The key shift is moving from external validation to internal locus of control. Ask yourself, am I studying for my parents' pride or for my own plan? When you have a clear personal plan, a goal that you own, the expectations of others become background noise. Your job is not to satisfy their demands. Your job is to execute your plan. And if you're executing your plan effectively, their anxiety naturally decreases. Now, for the classmates, in a competitive environment like ours, it's easy to fall into the comparison trap. You see your friends' perfect scores on Instagram, or you hear about their 10 tuition classes a week, and suddenly you feel inadequate. This is often a trap because you are comparing your behind-the-scenes struggles with their highlight reel successes. Solution is to adopt the personal best metric. Forget about your friend's score. Your only competitor is the vision of yourself from yesterday. Did you study consistently? Did you understand the topic better? Did you manage your time more effectively? If the answer is yes, you won. Competition breeds anxiety. Personal best breeds mastery. If you focus on mastery, success and the high scores become a natural outcome, not a stressful pursuit. So, how do we practically manage the expectations? You need to become an active communicator. Here are 3 steps to talk to your parents. First one, the factual report. Focus on effort, not grades. When they ask about a subject, don't just give the grade. Say, I know you want me to do well, and I've been spending 90 minutes on mathematics every day this week, focusing on my weak topic, algebra. This shows effort and strategy, which builds trust better than B+. Then, ask for support, not pressure. When you feel overwhelmed, communicate a specific need. Don't say, stop pressuring me. Say, I'm feeling a lot of stress about history. Could you help me by checking my practice essays on Saturday instead of asking me about my score every night? This turns them from a critic into a partner. The last one, third one, define your own success. Proactively share your goals. My goal for this term is to move from a B minus to a B in a chemistry. That's my focus. When they define the target, their focus naturally shifts to supporting your target rather than demanding an impossible one. Alright guys, listen, pressure is a constant, but your response to it is a choice. Choose to own your plan, choose to measure your personal best, and choose to communicate proactively. Thank you for tuning into Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. Next week, we are moving from stress to solutions. Failure is a feedback, rebounding from a bad test score. Don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential. Have a nice day, guys.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.